Hi, this is Maureen from A Premier Travel. Today we're going to give you a room tour of the Europa Hotel in Belfast, Ireland. The Europa Hotel is a world-famous hotel. It's a 5-star luxury property right in the center of town, and we are in room 730. This is a very large room, as you can see. There is a nice king-size bed here. You have lamps on both sides with the controls for all your lights. And we also have a clock radio here that also has an alarm built in and a Bluetooth, so you can play your music off there if you wish. 2 lovely chairs here. We have nice lighting coming in from the window. And then over here we have a nice desk with your phone and light. You have your UBS plugs to plug in, as well as the phone jack for the computers from the old times. And you also have the converter adapter you would need, which is a 3-prong, because we are now considered to be in the United Kingdom. Plenty of drawer space here. We have nice little makeshift if you want to use it for a bar area or a coffee. We have our bottled water back here in the background, little biscuits to go with your tea or coffee, and everything there for you, and your creamers. And we have our flat screen TV and another desk here, which also has your UBS plugs, as well as the 3-prong plugs there for you to use when you need to use it for a straightener. All the hotels come with hair dryers in the rooms, so you don't have to worry about that. But if you had a curling iron or anything else, a laptop, you need to plug in with a regular plug, you would need to have the converter adapter. Plenty of space for the luggage when the luggage comes in. This is 2 full-length mirrors right here on the closet doors. Nice large closet here. Plenty of shelf space. We have our safe here as well to lock up your valuables. And then we have a little space here. You can put your suitcase here after you've emptied it or unpacked if you're staying in unpacking. Then when you walk into the bathroom has your walk-in shower with your shower head up there. You have your sink here, and it comes with the makeup mirror, a light-up makeup mirror also. And you have your bathroom amenities, from your body lotion to your body wash, shampoo, conditioner, all that. And then over here we have this beautiful, nice sunken tub. It's very large. It also has a handheld to shower with as well. And it has a clothesline up top also. And what's really nice about this is that you have your bathrobes to use. So this is a really nice feature that not all hotels have. This is great for after you shower, put in your bathrobe before getting dressed and getting ready to go out for the day. So Belfast is a wonderful city for tourism. A lot of history is here. When you're ready to book that trip, call the experts with Ireland for A Premier Travel. And I hope this video was informative to you. Thank you.